Let's continue with the sleep module, where quality rest meets cutting-edge technology. Quality sleep is vital to our health, and the Nova Ring provides round-the-clock monitoring, even capturing naps shorter than 2 hours. On the sleep dashboard, you get a clear view of your total sleep time and sleep ratio. You can also see your sleep trends analyzed across day, week, and month to assess your sleep quality over time. This feature helps you track progress and identifying patterns affecting your sleep quality. The Nova Ring gives you a bigger picture of your sleep health. Dig deeper, and the advanced sleep algorithm provides a professional sleep score, total time in bed, sleep efficiency, sleep latency, and the timing of your sleep, along with the proportion of time spent in each sleep stage: restful, light, REM, and awake. The Body Clock feature provides personalized sleep recommendations by suggesting an optimal bedtime range based on recent sleep data, encouraging consistency with previous sleep times and offering feedback on how well your sleep aligns with this schedule. It visually represents your optimal bedtime, actual sleep schedule, and the latest sleep using a clock-like chart, helping you to optimize your sleep habits for better rest. Additionally, the app also provides average sleep heart rate, average HRV, temperature, and sleep movement for a comprehensive sleep assessment. With these insights, you can adjust your sleep routine and improve your rest. It's sleep science made simple and accessible. Take a moment to explore the sleep module. Understanding your sleep patterns is just the beginning of a healthier and more rested you. Beyond its basic health tracking, the Nova Ring astounds with its versatility for a comprehensive health journey. With our exercise record, we cover 19 different sports, giving you the tools to manage your fitness goals effectively. Whether you're into running, swimming, or any other activity, the Nova Ring is your dedicated exercise companion, tracking your progress and motivating you to excel. And if you're taking a leisurely stroll or going out for a run, our smart workouts detected feature kicks in, monitoring your activity and logging it automatically, ensuring the data we provide is as close to reality as possible. For our female users, the Nova Ring goes beyond with its menstruation cycle feature. Once you establish your cycle, our app offers accurate forecasts for your next menstrual cycle and ovulation periods. The data is presented in a clear chronological format, giving you an easy-to-understand overview of your cycle. Discover the full range of Nova Ring's capabilities and let it empower your health journey. Designed for seamless harmony, the Nova Ring integrates effortlessly with apps that you already trust. It syncs with apps like Apple Health or Strava, helping you to manage and migrate your data. This integration provides a comprehensive view of your health and fitness data, giving you control and convenience. Whether tracking your Strava achievements or managing health through the Apple Health, the Nova Ring enhances your tracking abilities. Today, we've explored the Nova R Smart Ring, marveling at its stylish design, AI-driven insights, and the seamless third-party integrations. This isn't just a health tracker, it's your personal guide to a healthier lifestyle, ready to adapt to your needs and help you reach your goals. If you're ready to elevate your health journey, the Nova Ring is waiting. Try it out and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you are excited to explore the Nova Ring and the app as much as I was. Keep striving for a healthier you. Goodbye.